Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's cooking, we're gonna be making combination coconut jollof rice. If you would like to learn how to make this recipe, then please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. I will be using chicken as my protein for this jollof rice recipe, but you can use any kind of protein that you have available. You can use either goat meat, beef, or any other kind of protein that you prefer. I will season my chicken and with spices and some olive oil, and I'm going to leave it to marinate for an hour, then bake it. Next, I will be using some beef cuts and some shrimps for this recipe. For the beef, I spice it up with creole seasoning, some black pepper, and a little salt. Then for the shrimps, I added a little bit of creole seasoning, mix it together, and put the beef and the shrimps aside for 20 minutes to marinate. Please be careful about the quantity of seasoning that you add to your shrimps, as shrimps are already naturally salty on its own. You don't want to eat salty shrimps in your jollof rice. Next, I will cook the beef on both sides till it is golden brown. Take off the beef from the heat and set it aside. In the same pan, I will add the shrimps and cook it on both sides, then set it aside. Once I am done cooking all the proteins that I need for my coconut jollof rice, I will start cooking the jollof rice itself by making the stew base. And to make the stew base, I'm going to be using coconut oil. I'll go in with some onions, some curry powder, and some thyme. I will cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I'm going to go in with my tomato paste and I will cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. And this will help to get rid of the sour taste in the tomato paste. Next, I'm going to go in with my roasted pepper mix. Please see the description box for what I use for this pepper mix. I will cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes until I see that the oil is floating on top of the pepper mix. Next, I go in with my goat meat stock. I had some leftover goat meat stock, so I use that for this recipe. And now I am adding my homemade coconut milk. By the way, if you really want to get the real taste of coconut jollof rice, then I would advise to use the homemade coconut milk. I have tried to use the store-bought and it didn't give me the same taste as what I get when I use my homemade coconut milk. After adding the coconut milk, go in with your seasoning. I use jollof rice spice, bouillon, and a little paprika. Then add your washed rice, cover with an aluminum foil, and cook for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to go in with some mixed vegetables, some chopped onions, and butter. You need the steam from the aluminum foil to cook your jollof rice. So I'm going to cover the pot back and I'm still going to leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. Next, I will go in with my proteins, which is the beef and the shrimps. At this point, the coconut jollof rice is ready. Combine everything together, taste for salt, and serve. Please let me know what you think about this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you for watching.